Hello everyone, welcome in today's class. Today we are going to do the activity with the matchstick. So let's start. So all of you can see for this matchstick activity I have drawn the house and the boat here by making use of the lines, slanting lines, sleeping lines, standing lines. So with the use of these lines I have drawn house and boat here. So now we will start sticking matchstick on it. We have to take the matchstick and you have to take a fevicol or gum. You have to put fevicol or gum on the side of the matchstick. You have to put it on the side of the matchstick and stick the matchstick on the line. If it is standing line, then stick exactly on that standing line. Then take another matchstick, put the glue or fevicol on the side of the matchstick and stick it on the standing line. Like this we will go on sticking the matchstick on the lines. See here, for the door short line is there, so we will cut or we will break the matchstick a little to make it of this height. Like this we will stick all the matchsticks on the side of the house and we will complete the match sticking activity for the house. So it will look like this. Kids will do it in their drawing book or on the plain card paper also they can draw and do it. Now we will start the same with this boat. For this sleeping line we will take the matchstick, we will put some glue on the side, glue or fevicol on the side, and we will go on sticking the matchstick. Like this we have stick all the matchsticks on the side of the boat and we have completed this activity for the house by sticking matchsticks on the side of the house and by sticking matchstick on the sides of the boat. Now next we are going to do the flower of the matchstick. So for that first I have drawn the circle at the center of this board and then we can stick the bindi or kundan or any decorative round material at the center, and then see this circle I have drawn. Now I will start sticking the matchsticks on the side of this circle. See, like this I have stick all the sticks around this circle and I have made this stem also with the help of this stick, and now we will make a leaf here. So for that first we will keep one stick here, we will stick with the gum or with the fevicol and we will draw a leaf around it and you will color the leaf with a. So now our flower is also ready. So today we have done the activity of sticking matchsticks, and in that we have drawn the house and we have stick the matchsticks on the lines of the house. We have drawn the boat and we have stick all the matchsticks on the sides of the boat, and we also completed the flower with the help of sticking matchstick. Thank you all of you.